हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे हमारी एक्सरसाइज 3.4 जिसमें कि आपको इस्तेमाल करना है। यहाँ पर यूज़ हम करेंगे यूजिंग एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशंस। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं एलिमेंट्री, तो एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। तो इसके लिए हम देख लेते हैं। हमें पता है कि आपका एक रिजल्ट ये होता है a इंटू आई, जो है वो हम लिख सकते हैं a के इक्वल या फिर आइडेंटिटी इंटू में a। किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को आप आइडेंटिटी से अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको वापस से लिख सकते हैं दैट मैट्रिक्स मीन्स a मैट्रिक्स। और सेकंड जो हमारे पास रिजल्ट था वो है a b इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी और b a इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी। Here we can say that if AB equal to identity means one matrix is inverse of the other matrix, then we can get our identity matrix. Means I mean to say if B is inverse of A, then we get identity matrix. Here we use this formula in our finding the inverse of matrix by using elementary transformation. So let's see. Our first question is, in our first question we have first 1 minus 1 2 3. In elementary transformation we have to remember that if we use our row matrix row transformation, then we will apply it in the whole question. Otherwise we imply here column matrix column transformation, then we apply it in the end also. We can't change our column or row elementary operation in between. So here is our first question, 1 minus 1 2 and 3. First I tell you that we use here AB equal to identity. Here I am using A identity equal to A. Then I will make here A inverse, A into A inverse, that is identity. So if I make here identity, then I get here A inverse. So A identity equal to A. A matrix is given 1 minus 1 2 3. Here identity is 1 0 0 1. Here is 1 minus 1 2 3. Now we apply our elementary operation. In elementary operation, first position we need identity because we want to make it identity matrix. So first position is fix our 1. So we don't change it. We apply our elementary operation on our second row. Elementary operation, using elementary operation R2 minus में 2R1. We don't apply here on A. We will apply only on our identity and equal part. So we get here 1 0 R2 minus 2R1. 2R1 means minus 2 and 1. Here we get 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2, 3 plus 2. Because we write here, we multiply R1 by 2 and then minus it from R2. So we get this matrix 1 2 minus 1 3 1 minus 2 0 1. Here 1 minus 1 0 5. Now we use this matrix. We know that in A12 position we have to make our element as 0. So how can we make? By using elementary operation row wise. We know that in R2 we have element A22 is 5. So what we do here, in R1 we change R1. How can we change? R1 माइनस में माइनस ऑफ 5 minus of, or we can say plus of 1 upon 5 R2. 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Here we say R1, we change our R1. How can we change? R1 plus 1 by 5 R2. R1 plus 1 by 5 R2. 0 plus 1 by 5. Here is minus 2 and 1. We get here 1 minus 1 plus 1. 0, 5. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Here we get 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 and 1. Here is 1, 0, 0, 5. Now we have to make our A22 as one element. So we apply here R2, change R2 by 1 by 5 R2. 1, 2 minus 1, 3. 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we can see that if A into A inverse equal to identity, so we write as this is our A and this is our A inverse. So we get the result as identity. So our A inverse is, here we can write, we find our A inverse, that is A inverse equal to 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. We get our A inverse. Now in second we can see 2, 1, 1, 1. We will do the same process in our all the matrices for finding A inverse. Here to second question, that is 2, 1, 1, 1. Now this is our A matrix. A into identity 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to our A matrix 2, 1, 1, 1. A matrix is 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now we change it by, we know that first element should be 1. So firstly we say, we divide R1 by half. Now 2, 1, 1, 1, half, 0, 0, 1. Here we get 1, half, 1, 1. Now we subtract, we get R2 by subtracting R2 minus में R1. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, 1. Here 1, 1 by 2, 0 and 1 minus 1 by 2. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, 1, 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Now, in R1, R1 minus R2, we get 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 by 2, minus R2, minus minus plus R2 and 0 minus 1 minus half 1. Here we get 1, 0, 0, half. Now we apply, first we write it 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus half and 1. Here is 1, 0, 0, half. Now we need our element here A22 as 1. So we multiply R2 row by 2. Now R2, 2 R2. We apply this operation, we get 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1. So here we get our A inverse, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1, 2. This is our A inverse. A inverse is equal to identity. Here this is A inverse and this is our A. Now in third question, in our third question, A is 1, 3, 2, 7. 1, 3, 2, 7. Here is identity, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 1, 3, 2, 7. So we can write, we know that the A11 entry should be 1. So here is already 1. We will change our R2 by using R1. R2 minus में 2 R1. We get 1, 3, 2, 7. We are changing R2. R2 minus 2 R1. So 0 minus 2, 1 minus 0, 1. Here 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 7 minus 6. We get 1, 3, 2, 7. 1, 0 minus 2, 1. 1, 3, 0, 1. Now we know that A12 entry should be 0. How can we make it 0? By using R2. R1 minus में 3 R2. We get here 1, 3, 2, 7. R1 चेंज करना हमें 1 minus 3 R2 minus plus 6. 0 minus 3 minus 2 1. Here we get 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 3 0, 0, 1. So we get our inverse here, that is 7 minus 3 minus 2 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. A into A inverse is equal to identity. A inverse is 7 minus 3 minus 2 1. Now our fourth question is, now our fourth question, 2, 3, 5, 7. Two, 3, 5, 7 in fourth. A is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now 2, 3, 5, 7 identity 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to A, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. We know that we have to make our right hand side as identity. For identity we need our A11 element as 1. So first we divide our first row by 2. So our R1 we change it by 1 by 2 R1. Here we get 2, 5, 3, 7, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1. Here we get 2 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 5, 7. Now we know that our A21 entry is 0 in identity matrix. So we apply R on R2. R2 as R2 minus में 5 R1. 2, 3, 5, 7. 1 by 2, 0. We apply R2 minus में 5 R1. So minus 5 by 2, 1. Here we get 1, 3 by 2, 5 minus 5, 7 minus 15 by 2. After solving, we get our matrix as 1 by 2, 0, minus 5 by 2, 1. Here we get 1, 3 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2. Now multiplying by second row minus 2 so that we can make our entry as 1. So applying on R2 as minus 2 R2. We get here 2, 3, 5, 7, 1 by 2, 0, 5 and minus 2. Here we get 1, 3 by 2, 0, 1. Now we have to make our 1, 2 entry as 0. So what we do? We do R1. R1 is R1 minus में 3 by 2 R2. So we get here 3, 5, 7 in R1. R1 minus 3 by 2 R2. 1 by 2 minus R2 is 15 by 2. Here is minus. We have to do minus. By multiplying this 3 by 2, we get our plus 3. 0 plus 3 by 2, 2 cancel आपका 3 आता है. यहाँ पर आपके पास बनेगा 5 and minus 2. We get here 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 0, 0, 1. Here we get 2, 3, 5, 7 minus 14 by 2, that is minus 7 plus 3, 5 minus 2 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Here we get our A inverse, that is minus 7, 3, 5 minus 2. Now our next question, that is question number 5, 2, 1, 7, 4. 2, 1, 7, 4 our matrix. Question number 5. A is 2, 1, 7, 4. Now 2, 1, 7, 4, 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 2, 7, 2, 1, 7, 4. We have to make our first A1 position as 1. So we divide it by 2. What we do? Here we can do R1, 1 by 2. We get 2, 1, 7, 4. Here 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1. We get 1, 1 by 2, 7 and 4. Now R2 minus 7 R1. 2, 1, 7, 4. 1 by 2, 0. Minus 7 by 2, 1. We know that R2 minus 7 R1 means 7 by 2 minus and 1 minus 0. Here we say 1, 1 by 2. 7 minus 7. Here is 4 minus 7 by 2. 2, 7, 1, 4. 1 by 2, 0. Minus 7 by 2, 1. Here is 1, half, 0, 1 by 2. Now multiplying. Now we can say R1, again applying on R1. R1 minus में R2. 2, 7, 1, 4. 1 by 2 minus plus 7 by 2 means 8 by 2. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 7 by 2 and 1. Here is 1 minus 0, 0. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0, 0, half. Now we know that A2 entry should be 1. For making it 1, we will multiply our second row by 2. We get here R2 as 2 R2. We are applying our elementary transformation on R2. 2, 1, 7, 4. 8 by 2 that is 4 minus 1 minus 7 2. Here is 1 0 0 1. So our A inverse is 4 minus 1 minus 7 and 2. This is our answer of question number 5. 4 minus 1 minus 7 and 2. Now question number 6, that is 2 5 1 3. A is 2 5 1 3. In the same process, 2 5 1 3, identity 1 0 0 1. Here is 2 5 1 3. Now using elementary, we know that we have to make it 1. So we apply R1 as R1 minus में R2. Here we get 2 5 1 3. 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 1. Here we get 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 1. 5 minus 3 2 1 3. Now we use on R2 minus R1. We get 2 5 1 3. R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 minus 1. 1 minus minus plus, that is 2. Here is 1 2 0. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Now on R1 operation, R1 we change our R1. How can we change? R1 minus में 2 R2. We get 2 5 1 3. R1 minus 2 R2. R1 minus 2. Minus minus plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. Here minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Minus 1 2. Here we get 1 minus 0 0. 2 minus 2, that is 0 0 1. So we get our A inverse, that is 3 minus 5 minus 1 and 2. This is our solution of question number 6. Now question number 7, we have given the matrix 3 1 5 2. In question number 7, 3 1 5 2. Here 3 1 5 2. Identity 1 0 0 1. Here is A 3 1 5 2. Now we know that A11 should be 1. So we apply here R1 as 1 by 3 R1. We get 3 5 1 2. 1 by 3 0 0 1. Here is 1 by 3 5 2. Now making it 0, we apply on R2 as R2 minus में 5 R1. 3 5 1 2. Now 1 by 3 0. R2 minus 5 R1. R2 minus 5 R1 means minus 5 by 3. And this minus this, again 1. So here we get 1 by 3 0. 2 minus 5 by 3. We get 3 5 1 2. 1 by 3 0 minus 5 by 3 1. Here we get 1 by 3 0 1 by 3. Now we have to make our A12 element as 0. So we apply on R1 minus में R2. 3 5 1 2. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 0 minus 1 minus 5 by 3 1. Here is 1 minus 0 1. This is 0 0 1 by 3. Here we get 3 by 5 3. 5, 1, 2, 6 by 3 that is 2, minus 1, minus 5 by 3 and 1. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1 by 3. We know that in identity matrix A 2 to element is 1. So we multiply our R2 by 3. 3 R2. 3, 1, 5, 2. 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1. So we get our A inverse, that is 2 minus 1 minus 5 and 3. Now solution of question number 8. In question number 8, we have given the matrix 4, 5, 3, 4. 4, 5, 3, 4. Identity 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 4, 5, 3, 4. Now R1 minus R2. We get here 4, 3, 5, 4. R1 minus R2, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Here we get 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 3 and 4. Now we make our 2, 1 element as 0. So we change our R2 by R2 minus 3 R1. We get 4, 3, 5, 4, 1 minus 1, minus 3, 0 minus 3, 1 minus minus plus 3, that is 4. Here we get 1, 1, 0, 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now we apply for making our A1 to element 0, we apply on R1, that is R1 minus R2. 4, 3, 5, 4. Here is R1 minus R2. 1 minus minus plus 3, that is 4. Minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. Minus 3 and 4. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1. So we get our inverse as 4 minus 5 minus 3 and 4. In the same process, we will see our next question number 9. That is, in question number 9, we get 3, 2, 10, 7. 3, 2, 10, 7. Identity 1, 0, 0, 1. Here is 3, 2, 10, 7. We have to make our first position A11 as 1. So we apply on R1 as R1 minus R2. We get 3, 2, 10, 7. Here R1 minus R2, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Here is we get 3 minus 2, 1, 10 minus 7, 3, 2, 7. Now we will make our A21 position as 0 element. So what we do? R2 minus 2 R1. We get 3, 2, 10, 7. R2 0 minus 2 R1 means minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus minus plus and 2 means 3. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Here we get 1, 3, 2 minus 2, that is 0, 7 minus 6, that is 1. Now we can see our element A12, that we have to make it 0. How can we make? R1 minus 3 R2. 3, 10, 2, 7. Here is R1 minus 3R2. R1 minus 3R2 minus plus 6 means 7. Minus 1 minus 9, that is minus 10. Minus 2, 3. Here we get 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. 0, 1. So our A inverse is 7 minus 10 minus 2, 3. Now question number 10. In question number 10 we get our A matrix 3 minus 1, 4 minus 4, 2. Now 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2, identity 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to A matrix, that is 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2. Now we will change our marker here. First we write here as R1 plus R2, that is 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1. Here we get minus 1, 3 plus minus 4 minus 1, minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 minus 4, and this is 2. We multiply our first row by minus. We get 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Here we get 1 minus 1 minus 4, 2. Now R2 plus 4 R1. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus 1. We plus by multiplying R1 by 4. So after plus we get minus 4, and here we get 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Here is 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. Now we will apply on R2 minus 1 by 2 R2. We get 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2, minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 and plus 3 by 2. Here we get 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Now R1 plus R2. We get 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2, minus 1 minus 1, 2, 3 by, sorry, R1 we have to change our R1 plus R2. This plus this means 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. Here is 1, 0, 0, 1. So our A inverse is 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. This is the solution of question number 10. Now question number 11. A is 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. Identity 1, 0, 0, 1. Here is 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. We apply our elementary transformation on R1. We get R1 minus R2. We get 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Here we get 1 minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. 1 minus 2. Now on R2, R2 minus R1. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1. R2 minus R1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus minus plus, that is 2. Here is 1 minus 4, 0. Minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. Now R1 minus plus 2R2. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. R1 plus 2R2. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Minus 1, 2. Here is 1, 0. Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. Now R2, dividing R2 by 2, we get 2, 1 minus 6 minus 2, minus 1, 3 minus half 1 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. We get our A inverse here, minus 1, 3 minus half 1. Now question number 12. In question number 12, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Question number 12. We have given the matrix 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Now, by dividing this by 6, R1 transform 1 by 6, R1. 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 1 by 6, 0, 0, 1. Here is 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2, 1. Now R2, applying on R2, we get here multiplying R1 by 2 and adding in second. R2 plus 2 R1. 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. R2, R1 is as it is. R2 is R2 plus 2 R1, that is 1 by 3 and 1. Here we get 1 minus half. Here we get minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 1 plus minus 1. So it becomes 1 minus half, 0, 0. And we know that we have to make our right hand side as identity. But here we can see our R2 row is become 0. So A inverse is not possible. A inverse does not exist. We can say A inverse does not exist. Here we can't make our A inverse matrix. So in question number 13, A is 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Identity 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Here R1 plus R2. We get 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Here we get 2 minus 1, that is 1. Minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Now applying on R2 row, we get R2 R2 plus R1. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 1, R2 plus R1, 1 and 1 plus 1, that is 2. Here we see 1 minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now on R1, R1 plus R2. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Here 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3, 1, 2. Here is 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, 0, 1. So, in right hand side we make our matrix as identity matrix. So, we can say our A inverse is 2, 3, 1, 2. This is our answer. Now, question number 14. In question number 14, we have matrix 2, 1, 4, 2. 2, 1, 4, 2, identity 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 2, 1, 4, 2. Here we apply our row matrix as R1 tends to half of R1. We multiply our R1 by 2, 1 by 2. We get 2, 4, 1, 2. 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1. Here we get 1, 1 by 2, 4, 2. Now multiplying R1 by 4 and subtracting it from R2. R2 minus में 4 R1. 2, 1, 4, 2. 1 by 2, 0. R2 minus 4 R1. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Here we see 1 half. 4 minus 4, that is 0. 2 minus 4 by 2, that is 2. यानी कि 2 minus 2, 0. We see here our second row is become 0. So we can't make it as identity matrix. We can say here A inverse does not exist. A inverse does not exist. So this is our questions 1 to 14. Now our further question we will see in our next video. Till then, thank you.